Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you run an online store with Shopify, you know how important it is to offer flexible payment options to your customers. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add Payoneer payments to your Shopify store so you can unlock Payoneer checkout and make it easier for your customers to pay. No headaches and no roadblocks. By the end of this video, you'll have Payoneer seamlessly set up on your store, and you'll be ready to accept secure payments in just a few clicks. All right, let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to open your Shopify admin page. This is essentially the home base for everything you manage for your store. From tracking your orders, editing products, and updating your website, it all happens here. If you're unsure, the admin page is usually found at your store, myshopify.com admin. Make sure you're logged in as the owner or have the right permissions, just to save any confusion later. Now, take a look down at the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard. There's a menu there, and you'll see the Settings option tucked away. This is where all your nitty-gritty store controls live. Go ahead and click Settings. Think of this like opening up your store's toolbox. Everything you might want to adjust or tweak is here. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a bunch of categories. What you want next is Payments. This is what holds the keys for adding new payment gateways or managing the ones you already have. Click on Payments. This is where we really start customizing how your customers interact with your checkout. Now, look for the button that says Add Payment Method. This lets you integrate new payment providers to your store. If you've already got a couple installed, don't worry, you can add more. Just make sure you choose Add Payment Method, so you get Shopify to show you all the available options. At this point, you'll see an option that says Search by Provider. This is super handy, especially with all the different apps and gateways out there. Click into the search bar and type Payoneer. Just one word, Payoneer. You should see Payoneer Checkout pop right up as an option. If you don't see it immediately, you might want to double-check your spelling or refresh the page. Sometimes integrations vary by region, so if you're abroad, just keep in mind you may need to check with Shopify support. Once you have Payoneer Checkout right there, go ahead and click it. Now, you'll see an option to install or enable it. Depending on your Shopify theme, this button might say Install or Add. Click it, and your store will begin connecting with Payoneer. This step usually takes just a few moments, so don't worry if there's a bit of a loading time. When installation is complete, you should get a confirmation on your payments page. Payoneer will now show up as a payment provider on your store, ready for your customers to use. That's it. You've successfully added Payoneer payments to your Shopify site. This opens up new possibilities for payments, especially for international customers who rely on Payoneer. If you ran into any issues, such as the provider not appearing, it could be due to your Shopify plan or regional restrictions. In these cases, reaching out to Shopify or Payoneer support is a good idea. They handle these setups all the time and can guide you through any tricky bits. And there you have it. A simple way to expand your payment options and make life easier for your shoppers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave a comment with any questions you have. I always check and try to help. And subscribe for more straightforward Shopify guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.